And another major development tonight involving members of the security forces. A senior police inspector assigned to the Counterterrorism and Organized Crime Branch CTOC is in custody tonight after nearly 6 kilograms of cocaine were seized from his vehicle during a late-night operation in Kingston. Jamaica News Page tonight understands the operation was carried out by the Firearms and Narcotics Investigation Division FNID around 7 p.m. Thursday at a bar in Woodford Park, Kingston 4, following intelligence that vehicles at the location were being used in illegal drug activity. When the FNID team arrived, the 51-year-old inspector was observed among other patrons at the bar. Investigators say 3 vehicles were identified near the premises: a Toyota Tacoma belonging to the police inspector, a Kia owned by a 43-year-old Jamaica Defense Force member, and a Honda Stepwagon linked to a 37-year-old mechanic. Police say searches were requested of all 3 vehicles. While the other 2 were searched, the inspector initially refused access to his vehicle, prompting officers to call in a senior FNID officer. According to investigators, when that officer arrived, the inspector admitted that cocaine was inside his vehicle. All 3 vehicles were then secured and towed to FNID headquarters, where the inspector's Toyota Tacoma was searched in his presence. Inside, police say they found 5 rectangular parcels wrapped in masking tape and clear plastic inside a white plastic bag at the rear of the vehicle. The substance is believed to be cocaine with an estimated weight of 5.8 kilograms or 12.5 pounds. Police say the cocaine has an estimated street value of up to 100 million Jamaican dollars. Also seized were the inspector's Glock service pistol, 3 magazines, 53 rounds of ammunition, his Jamaica Constabulary Force ID, a holster, and a Galaxy Note 9 cell phone. Investigators say a follow-up operation was also carried out at the inspector's residence in his presence, but nothing illegal was found. All 3 men, the police inspector, the JDF member, and the mechanic, are from St. Catherine and were arrested on a reasonable suspicion of breaches of the Dangerous Drugs Act. Their names are being withheld pending formal charges. Tonight, the inspector remains in custody at the Halfway Tree Police lockup as investigations continue.